Is silver a good investment? Secrets you must know about. In this video, I will show you the secrets you need to know about investing in silver, its worth, and what you stand to gain from investing in silver. I will also be showing you different ways to invest in silver and how to get started. Earning monthly and annually may not give you the financial freedom you desire, series of investments do. To increase your wealth, you must look out for investment opportunities. And investing in silver is a great way to start. Before we continue, it is quite important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. One thing you need to know is that no investment is 100% guaranteed. There are possibilities of either a negative or positive outcome. What investors do is brace up for the risk-reward situation. Silver possesses unique strengths and weaknesses that set it apart from other precious metals, although it has the same attributes. Here are the top secrets you should know about investing in silver. 1. Silver is real money. Although silver is not enlisted as any type of currency, it is an ultimate form of money. This is because it can depreciate like paper or digital currency since it is created of thin air. Unlike bonds and stock, owning a physical silver means you don't need a third party. You do not run the risk of defaults, and you can use the money when you want. 2. Silver is cheap. You can get silver less than its sister metal gold, yet it offers the same protection from crises. Silver is inexpensive and currently undervalued. This means investing in silver right now means purchasing a precious metal that can boost your standard of living at a cheaper rate. 3. Silver is a hard asset. 90% of your investment come as paper profits, digital trading, and currency creation. But silver is one physical asset you can hold, touch, and feel. If you wish, you can have some in your bags wherever you go. Silver is a private and confidential asset that poses a hedge against all forms of cybercrime, especially hacking. 4. Silver outperforms gold in a bull market. An ounce of gold cost more than silver, yet silver soars much faster than gold in bull markets. Although silver is more volatile than gold, silver gains more in the biggest precious metals bull markets. 5. Demand for industrial use is growing. Virtually every product you use today contains silver. Silver is used across industries like electronics, medical applications, batteries, etc. Silver is more electrically conductive, thermally conductive, and reflective, and this makes the demand for silver to skyrocket daily. 6. Silver is the second most useful commodity. Aside from oil, silver is one commodity that is quite beneficial across industries in the world. 7. The supply of silver would soon drop. After their price of silver dropped significantly, miners have reduced costs to make a profit. Exploration and development of silver mines were tremendously cut down. Over the last 3 years, there has been a drop in silver supply for the first time since 1991. There is going to be a peak for silver supply as a result, and this will favor investors big time. Conclusively, it is worth investing in silver because this precious metal holds value during market lows, and increases in value during bull markets. Here are a few risk factors involved in investing in silver. 1. Demand. 2. Price fluctuations. 3. Supply. 4. Inflation. 5. Government policies. Investments come with a lot of risks. But studying the market will give you leverage to make better choices. I hope you enjoyed this video on why you should invest in silver. Share your experiences with us in the comment section. Remember to click the subscribe button to get a notification on the next video.